Good morning and a happy Friday, parents. So I'm getting a lot of emails about what can I do to help my student. I see that they're struggling in this specific area. Well, I have spent a lot of time and effort over the last month, and I've created something that I think will help a lot of you and your students at home. We are working on this during the school day if they have extra time, during pride time, things like that, just to give them extra activities to do if they finish their book club book, or if they don't feel like reading that day, or if they don't feel like Lexia. It just gives them an extra choice for reading. So if you go into your students' reading Schoology, remember this is my Schoology, so the teacher side looks just a slightly different, and I'll let you know when it will look a little different. So if you go to the Reading Schoology course and you click on that, then it should pop up with my normal get to know your class here. Then the second thing down, it says 4th grade review choice board. Okay, if you click on that, mine looks a little bit different. Over here, instead of in progress, it'll say my document. They're going to click on that and it will pop up something like this. So what they're going to do is it says TEKS choice board. TEKS are Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills. These are all the skills that they should be successful with by the end of 4th grade. They can put their name right here. Then let's say they're struggling with main idea. They're going to go to the main idea slide, and then they have basically 7 choices. There's always going to be an anchor chart just to remind them kind of the skill. I actually have recorded myself on all of these and retaught it and gone over strategies. I've gone over maybe if we had a sing song to go with it, strategies, and the anchor charts we have here in class. Then I have a Quizlet here to kind of just go over main idea questions. There's a brain pop video, so if my video wasn't very helpful and they want a different perspective, there's a brain pop. And then we have 3 games over here. There's a lightning strike, there's main idea millionaire, and then there's main idea slime lab. So what they can do then is if they complete one of these, they can then click this done X, and they can put it on what they've done so that you can see and I can see what they've been working on and if they've been successful. So for example, we have theme, we have characters, we have inference, we have summary, we have figurative language, context clues, author's purpose, and then there's just a in general reading one. There's STAR vocabulary Quizlet. A lot of the kids have struggles with vocabulary words like the word determine, identify, locate, evidence. So those are some basic but more difficult words that they could review over STAR. Comprehension, crane, tone, cause and effect, reading ninja, and Readbot. So this is just something that you can use if you like to on top of Lexia, on top of reading at home. They can play one of these games for 20 minutes. It's just an extra something for you to use at home if you choose to, and I just wanted to let you know where it is. I did put a due date just because in Schoology I needed to put a due date. However, this is something that you can access forever after you've uploaded it in Schoology. It will forever be in your students' Google Drive. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys can access this at home and get some information from it. Let me know if you guys have any questions.